Castell Ystym Llwydarth, Oystermouth Castle is without doubt the Gower Peninsula's finest castle. It was originally established as a moat and bailey structure by the Norman de Londres family in the early 12th century, and was twice scorched to the ground by the Cymry, first in 1116 and again in 1215. Then the castle came into the hands of the powerful de Broys family in the late 13th century. The Cymry of Oystermouth besieged it in the early 15th century during the early stages of Owain Glyndwr's long war of independence and took it for Glyndwr. After the Middle Ages, however, the castle gradually fell into ruins. It became the property of the Duke of Beaufort in the 19th century, and he gave it to Swansea Council in 1927. Luckily, the castle has now been saved by funding from various sources and is currently undergoing renovations, which will ensure its future as a wonderful tourist attraction. The first phase of the programme of renovations was completed in July 2011, and Swansea Council organised a free-for-all open day to celebrate. I was there, and the following is a taster of the day that I hope you will enjoy.
It's a stone that's been rounded by the sea.